Good evening, Professor. This is my submission for Lab 7, Relational Logic. So, the first question is describe in general terms what is the basic idea of top down proof. So, in top down proof, it is a method of inference in which we start with the conclusion and work our way down from there using resolutions and definite clauses. We'll be doing one problem with the top down proof in the assignment itself today. The second question is how do you know when you have completed a successful derivation using a top-down approach? We know that a derivation is successful and complete when we obtain a answer clause yes and there is no body in that. So there is no like body left in that answer clause. Uh, Give an example of admissible heuristic for a top-down search. The number of uh, atoms can be uh, taken as a admissible heuristic since it will only take that many resolutions and it will never like overestimate. So now for the practical part, for the second question we are given this data log and we are asked a question 4 based upon this. Show a successful top-down derivation of the query accepted Chris. So here in the problem, we are given that the university has a legacy program where children of former graduates are qualified, although these students must have submitted a complete application. And then we are further given the information that Sam is a former graduate and Chris is his son, and Chris has a good high school transcripts and he has also submitted complete application. So for top down approach, we start with the clause that Chris has accepted. Then we see if it is Chris is qualified and the application is complete. We are given that the application is complete, so we write that. For qualified, we first check that which of the three pathways he is using. He is using the legacy student pathway. In legacy student pathway, the child must be a the parent must be a graduate. So Sam is a graduate. So here, yes, he is a legacy student, so that makes him qualified as well as the application is complete. So if the student is qualified and the application is complete, that means that he is accepted. So that gives us the answer that Chris is accepted. And now we can even use AI tab for AI lab for this. So if we copy this data log in here and just format it to make sure that it runs, yeah, that should be fine. Oh, it's not fine. There is an issue. Yeah, now it should be fine. Oh, there's still an issue. Yeah, that should definitely be fine. Yeah, sure. So it works now. So if we go in the AI lab and solve the query that accepted Chris and auto run it, yeah, as you can see it is very similar to the one we have created ourselves, so our logic was correct. Yeah, so as far as the fifth question goes, can Laura be accepted? No, we can't find a successful derivation for that because Laura is a returning student and has a good academic standing, but first of all, she does not have a clear balance. So, if it is a returning student, then it should have good standing and clear balance. Second, she has not filled the complete application. So, because of these two reasons, we can't accept her.